Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for the headphones Creative Sensemore Air. Basically you have a few options how to do it. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case, and the first one is to go to the application. Oh sorry, yeah, we should connecting it, of course. Now go to settings, and right here we can choose reset device. Or the second one is to put the headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold for at least 5 seconds on both of buttons on your headphones. I can hear a reset to factory settings from voice assistant. Now let's go to the Bluetooth. I recommend it to remove and edit. So click on the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device and forget device. Now remove it from the charging case and add again. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!